Rumble. Home is outside. Huh? What is going on? The next morning. What happened to me? Why am I a raptor? Huh? What happened to me? Why did I eat meat from a tiger? This is bad. Delicious. Oh! Somebody help me! What have I done? I'm a monster! Hmm? What is that sound? Doctor! Dr. Bull told me to kill you. Who's Dr. Bull? He's the one who corrupted you. You won't be escaping. I must take revenge. No! Fine, you wanna fight? Yes. Oh. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Finally, it's over. Now you ever find that Dr. Bull? Wait, there's a map. Okay, I'm in the location right now. Wait, it's up there. The city will be mine. Dr. Bull, you won't stop me. Oh yeah? Potion! Oh, what happened? It's too dark. The potion makes it rain for more suffering. Okay, let's fight. Oh! I need to get revenge. I can't give up. It's over. Boom. I'm sorry. No service for now. No! Goodbye, Dr. Bull. Finally, I'm back to normal.